Hi everyone, so this is the video related to the XPath, finding of XPath using Selenium while doing automation. So this is the second video for related to how to find XPath. So for automating any website we need the web element, the locators for doing the automation. So locator maybe we are having locators name, ID, link text and XPath. So how we can take those XPath while doing the Selenium automation using Python. So let's see how to do. So in this this is one sample script for Python script for automation. So in this we are opening Google page and just going to Selenium HQ browser, and in this we'll try to find some XPath as a demo. So how to find XPath and ID, name. So how you will write the script like driver dot see here you can see it's a little bit different from the Java Selenium. Here you see link text is there. If there is any href will be there, then we can pass the string in link text. We'll take the find element by XPath, by name. Then you can see here find element by class name, find element by CSS selectors, find element by ID, partial link text, find element by tag name. So suppose for tag name, if we are going for title, if you want to print the title name in our automation script, then we can give the find element by tag name. So and we are having find element by class name, find element by CSS selectors. So this is little bit different from Java Selenium. So it's a very nice method. Here we are getting directly methods, and we need to pass those string and XPath or href value, so that automation will happen in a perfect way. So these all are method present in this web driver, and in this script we have written XPath for XPath for this website. In this automation script we are just opening google.com and we are searching with Selenium. Then first browser web link will come. We are clicking on web browser automation, Selenium web browser automation, and we are going to that. So finding XPath is same as how we are doing in Selenium, Java Selenium. It is fully same as. My intention is to show how many methods are there in Python case. So we are having more method like that. So link text, like how it's there in Java Selenium. So let me show you some like find element by link text. Say for example I want to type find element by name. So how to give this name. So let me find some, let me see. We need to inspect like that for finding the XPath. So see, here is href, right? And href is this project, and the title is this, and project this text. We can copy this, and this as it is the href. So href means not link. It is a kind of, see how I've written. It's already written there. See, link text project. That means project is a kind of href. It is present in 8 tags, so we are using this method, find element by link text, and we are clicking on it. Suppose we are writing one more case. Find element by link text. And we need to go for download option. So download is also href, so we need to just copy this download part and we need to just keep it here. And after that just change the name of element 3, and after that just we can just el3 dot click. So we are clicking this. So this is a sample script. So this is one way. The finding XPath is fully same like how we are doing in Java Selenium, but my intention is to show you how many methods are there for putting link text, or all those located like name, ID, CSS selectives, tag name, class name. For tag name, we can use the title name. If there is a tag name is title, and we want to take the title name in our script, then we can give this find element by tag name and pass the tag name. We can get those if we give tag name as title, we will get all those text from title. So I will run just this script once. So for running, we need to just right click it. And run this script. So it started running. So the script is getting started. So it will open the Google and it will search for Selenium. And it will click on the first web link. So we have given the XPath for that. So we'll share so many links for finding the XPath in the description below. Okay, so the script will run, this will open, and after that it will just check for the all those this all href link, and it will take all the string and it will click there. So this automation script is for that particular thing. this is just a sample to show the how you can call those all method in the Selenium Python script. So this is one of the ways. So in description below we'll share so many URL for how to finding the XPath while writing the Selenium script. So this is all about locate elements using Selenium Python. It's a simple video. So you can just go through whatever link I am going to share to you in the description below. That will help you to find all the kind of locators finding for automation. Thank you. In the next coming videos we'll start doing the framework part, like how to design one sample framework, automation framework for Selenium using Python. So we'll start it from the next video. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.